Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another XDC Network video, folks, and this is an interesting one. We're going to be heading out and checking is XDC Network is better or Hyperledger. So this is going to be my own personal opinion based on a article that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So this is going to be an interesting video. Make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems. So if you're interested in them, make sure to subscribe for regular videos. Now, folks, let us begin. First and foremost with the price of XDC Network at the time of the recording. So guys, one XDC coin is priced at around $0.05206 at the time of the recording with an approximately $722 million market cap. So if we see the monthly chart, guys, it is up 12.13% for the month, or make it 10.62% now. So yeah, it went from 0.04654 to 0.057, and it is now fine. It is in a price discovery mode at the moment. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, it is up 105% on the yearly. It has gone from 0.021. It went all the way to 0.088, and since that time it has dipped, and it's finding its place over here. It is testing out this support range over here. Let us see where this goes. There is a good support line over here. So yeah. And folks, why is XDC now dipping like this? Let me show you the chart of BTC, guys. Bitcoin had a good rally and a lot of coins moved up in the market due to the ETF news. So many are calling it a fake pump. Others are calling it the end of the bear. So depending on who you talk to. But guys, in my opinion, the momentum of bears are dwindling. And in my opinion, guys, although BTC also might come and test out these levels, 35,599 or this range over here, 35,441, yeah. So yeah, but I do not think, guys, that BTC is coming and testing 20s again or 28, guys. I think those days are done and behind us, but I'm no financial advisor or a expert predictor, so do your own due diligence. But in my opinion, BTC's price is going to be going up in the upcoming months. So if it does, then XDC is sure to follow, and what XDC is doing, it might reach new heights and it might go on and break its all-time high and go beyond that in the upcoming bull run. Obviously, we've discussed that before. Check out our older videos as well. Now, guys, as for this video, let me show you this article, guys. I really found it interesting, and I had planned to share this with you guys a long time back, but due to the other videos, it got a bit postponed. So yeah, this was published on October 15, 2019 by Win. So this is Hyperledger versus Xinfin. Which blockchain platform will benefit your business? We are discussing the strengths and weaknesses of two new age blockchain technologies, XDC and IBM's Hyperledger. So we're going to be checking out both of these platforms, and I'm going to be giving you my own opinion as to which opinion I'm more inclined towards. So yeah. This is a big article, so do read it in detail yourselves. We're going to be skimming around and checking out for the important points. So, modern blockchain networks are rigorously changing the business landscape by pouring into payments, supply chain, informatics, financial contracting. Yeah, so IBM is also involved in and exploring all these sectors and how blockchain can improve it. So they have their platform, the Hyperledger, to do it. And as for XDC Network, it is a layer 1 protocol which has a public and private chain, and it is meant to transform global trade finance, guys, which is a $19 trillion industry. So what is XDC? XDC protocol works on the framework of hybrid blockchain technology. So yeah, We've discussed XDC a lot, guys, in our older videos as well, so you guys can check that out as well in terms of the basics and what XDC is all about, guys. As for the Hyperledger project was launched by Linux Foundation to explore the applications of blockchain in different industries, guys. So this is the first point, guys, which I would like to make that Hyperledger is involved in different industries. Whereas XDC Network is going to be penetrating other industries as well, but it is primarily focused on global trade finance. So this gives it a specialization advantage. Like David Ricardo said that in economics that you have to specialize in creating the production. So if you know about IP, international political economy, this is a reference of that. So yeah, guys, what is Hyperledger Fabric? Hyperledger Fabric offers a different approach to consensus wherein an interoperable network of networks is created which preserves the privacy nevertheless. By the way, guys, Hyperledger does not have its own cryptocurrency as well, like XDC does, where you can invest and it can appreciate. And it has also a permissionless layer as well. As far as what permissionless is concerned, it is a network where there is no third party involved. Whereas, guys, in Hyperledger, it has permission channels. So decentralized trusted network of known participants using permission channels, selective exposing of data as per the type of data and parties involved, smart contracts programmable in all languages and no custom languages and architectures is required. So these are the problems with Hyperledger. It operates in a rigid top-down fashion. So basically this performs like a corporation and a corporate entity, like only 1% of the population would benefit from it. So yeah, and is not suitable for developing nations. It does not have a consensus mechanism, and customers can create their own consensus algorithms as per the industry. Interface with low flexibility for developers and lack of any inbuilt cryptocurrency on the network. So there is no cryptocurrency involved. No flexibility for developers. Like in XDC, you guys can build dApps, and you guys have got GBEX and PLI and other apps that other projects that are going to be huge in the future as well, and it is further going to be enhancing the XDC ecosystem. One of the most expensive enterprise blockchain solutions in the market, which makes it inaccessible to a major portion of new entrants. Lack of informative resources and tutorials as reported by some users. Non-public ledger with transactions being updated only in the participants' ledgers makes it a liability for users. So yeah, guys, these were the cons of Hyperledger and why, in a nutshell, why I think vice versa that XDC is better, obviously, in terms of what it aims to do and the specialization it aims to achieve. So guys, this is the further comparing of the major features of these two consensus-based networks. Guys, while we are at it, if you've liked the video till now, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well, guys. So yeah, anyways, this is the chart, guys. Hyperledger versus xinfin. So basically, the features, purpose, Hyperledger Fabric preferred platform for enterprise. xinfin, or XDC as it has rebranded, platform for enterprise as well as generalized applications, guys. So you guys can build applications on it, generalized applications. It is open to for building. It is developer friendly. Confidentiality, confidential transactions. So the transactions are totally secretive, or they're confidential basically. XDC is hybrid, guys. It has private as well as private but public. So yeah, the network, private and permission network, public, private, and permissionless network, guys. So no third party involved. Consensus mechanism, they can support different consensus algorithms, default, PBFT, XDPOS consensus, cryptocurrency, so they do not have any built-in cryptocurrency. The Hyperledger project does not have its own cryptocurrency, whereas it has its own built-in cryptocurrency, which is called XDC, and it is going to be utilized, and it is the utility coin, and the investors and holders of the coin can benefit by the gains and various other factors, and option to create token economics for the institutions. Operating system support, Ubuntu and macOS, Ubuntu, Windows, and macOS. So it is also optimized for Windows. You guys know there are a lot of developers that are that use Windows. Windows is a huge chunk of developers basically use Windows, as you know. So this is another advantage that goes to XDC. Smart contract language, chain code, Solidity, Viper, programming language Golang. Installation process need to follow setup instruction, one-click installer available, guys. So is the breakdown. XDC Network, hybrid blockchain with both private and public capability, both of which can be leveraged as per requirement. XDC token has high liquidity and is usable across the ecosystem, making it a utility coin, a hyper utility coin, which is going to be giving massive gains in the upcoming times. So yeah, Hyperledger runs on blockchain technology, but has major projects in computing, aviation, supply chain, and banking. So it is it is diverse in comparison to XDC, which specializes in trade finance. So specialization is good in my opinion in this regards, and it has different projects that are involved with banking like GBEX and PLI and Oracle. So yeah, it that also gives edge to XDC as many projects are built upon it. Does not host a cryptocurrency. This is yet again a shortcoming of Hyperledger, guys. So XDC and Hyperledger differ in how they operate as well as in their intended uses. Hyperledger aims to explore new use for blockchain, while xinfin was created to shorten the gap of technological deficit in the business world. This, however, presents the customer with highly capable options to invest their resources in. The decision of where to can you can own that can be the decision of where you can invest. Basically, it is only taken by you and no one else. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about XDC and Hyperledger, and which one do you prefer? As per my opinion, guys, obviously, guys, I'll go with XDC Network due to the little guys having those the opportunities to invest in a juggernaut of a project, guys, at almost ground levels at the moment. It has the potential to go up. It has its own cryptocurrency. It has projects to build on. You guys can basically invest in other projects of XDC ecosystems such as GBEX and PLI and StoreX and others. So, in my opinion, guys, XDC Network, hands down, is my uh, winner in this regards. Although a corporation or other entities might find Hyperledger suitable for their needs, as it is controlled by the 1%, the mighty 1%, whereas XDC is a bit more involved with a lot of stakeholders, guys. It can come in the form of investors, small investors such as ourselves that are buying the coin, or big giants like Trade Finance Initiative and other governments and entities. So it is a mix, a hybrid solution, guys, in my opinion. So in my opinion, XDC takes the cake. So hit the comment box below, guys. What do you guys think where XDC network is going to be going in the next bull run? What market cap it's going to be achieving, in your opinion, guys? And one more thing, guys. What do you think that is the Bitcoin bull run on the horizon, or is it going to be going back to the lower areas? In my opinion, it's going to be going up. But what do you suggest? Hit the comment box below to let the crypto growth fam know. So yeah, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification icon for reminders. And folks, if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, make sure to subscribe the channel. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.